Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we got a projector, a 1080p projector from Fudoni. So this particular model is called SPARE-P1. I'll put all the product information down in the description below so you can go check them out. So this projector has Wi-Fi connection. The 1080p is actually native resolution, not like some other projector that's been scaled up from the 720. And they also have screen mirroring capability. So that means from your phone or tablet, you should be able to mirror that same image onto the projector with ease. Hopefully that's the case. Anyway, and also has 5G technology. I'm not quite sure what that means, but we're going to find out in a little bit. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. So let's open this up. Okay, they provide you with a screen, a projector screen. Oh, it's 100-inch. So it helps to save on some money because you don't have to buy a projector screen, right? And also if you don't have a white wall big enough for a projector, then yeah, it's good to have one of this. So anyway, let's see. Ooh, this projector is actually quite small. I remember last one that I reviewed was kind of bulky, but this one is fairly compact. Ooh, I like this. It feels sturdy in my hand. Yeah, it feels pretty solid in terms of the build. Obviously, instruction manual, a remote, HDMI cable, a power cord, and a video audio cable. Alright, so this is it, just some accessory with the projector. Anyway, let me go try it out. Yeah, I want to see how good it does when it's nighttime and also in daytime. Alright, so let's talk about this projector. All the control buttons on the top of the projector, and you have the keystone knob on top and also the manual focus on top as well. So if you need to focus the lens, you can do so by turning the knob or pivot and tilt using the keystone. Now on the side of the projector, you have the headset, the AV, the TF, where you can put in your SD card, and HDMI, the USB port, the VGA port for a computer, well, for older computer anyway. They also provide you with a remote control, and this remote has all the function just like the control on top of the projector. Now, with one thing that's a little bit different though, for the remote control, they actually have the dedicated buttons for the volumes up and down, but for the control on top of the projector, you will have to select left arrow and the right arrow for the volume up and down. Let's go through the manual real quick. I prefer using the remote. The remote is very easy to use. Every time I input something, it responds really quickly, so that's something that I really like. Now picture mode, color, temperature, aspect ratio, you can select either 16:9. I would prefer the 16:9. Once you have selected whichever one, you don't have to hit OK. You just need to hit the back button and then it will change it. So that's kind of weird how they have an OK button, but it doesn't really do much. Now the sound mode and balance, Bluetooth, you can also connect Bluetooth as well. And you have the sleep timer and the different language that you can select and restore factory default. Rotate, this is quite cool. So if you have this projector upside down, you can rotate it. So that way it's easier for you to set this thing up anywhere you want to. On the side of the wall, upside down. And they have the software update. Now, you can do it either via the USB or if you connect to the Wi-Fi on this projector, then you can actually update through that way as well. So yeah, those are the manual. Let's see the input source. So you have the VGA, HDMI, screen mirroring, AV, USB, and TF. So I particularly like the screen mirroring. So this way, I mean, nowadays we all have smartphone and tablet, right? So that would be the easiest way to get your phone screen onto this projector. As you can see here, you can select either Android screen, iOS, well, there's setting where you can set up your Wi-Fi. Now, when you select the screen mirroring, they actually teach you how to set it up. It is quite easy to follow in the iOS system. So I have here the Samsung Tab S8, the tablet. What I need to do is to do Android screen. Now screen mirroring, what I need to do is to go into the menu and select the Smart View. Once I select that, it will bring up device I can connect to. In this case, it's under RKCast-1887FD. Now once I do that and start now, voila, it's going on pretty quick. Right, so it's on, and let's see, YouTube, and there you go. It's really seamless. See, there's no lag, which is really cool. Oh, before we start playing something, just FYI, this projector I set it 6 feet against the wall, away from the wall, and right now the screen size is actually 50-inch. If you continue to move the projector out further, then you will get up to 100-inch onto the wall. This is a really good option if you don't have a big TV at home. You can just use this projector as your TV screen. And right now it's at nighttime, and this room, I just turn on the lights. So, but you can tell this screen is actually pretty crisp. To right inside the house. Granted, the house doesn't have that much space, and it just kind of. Now, what I extremely like about this projector is you can see the bottom portion. All the words are really clear. Now, I have reviewed a projector previously, a different brand. What happened is on the bottom portion, the words become really blurry. So it's not suitable if you are doing PowerPoint presentation or Word document on the screen. But this is really good. And as you can see, like the streaming is seamless. Like what's playing in the tablet goes on to the projector right away. There is no lag. Alright, so let me show you what it looks like when it's in the daytime. Even in the daytime, the video still comes out very clear. So I really like that. A lot of projectors out there, when it's too bright, the room is too bright, then you cannot really make out what the screen is showing. And now let me turn off the lights and show you what it looks like when it's completely dark. Would you look at this? I turn off all the lights inside this room and look at the picture. The picture itself is very crisp and it's very clear. And this is surprisingly good in terms of the quality of the projector itself. The video comes out really good. Now in terms of sound, let me get this mic a little bit closer to the speaker. Those are the really good things about this scooter. So some of the things that they could improve on is to make the parts a little bit. And this projector connecting to the HDMI is also really easy. So when I plug the HDMI into my laptop, it connects right away as well. So you can use this as an extension of a monitor, or when you're doing presentation, then you can just use that as mean of doing projecting what you are showing on your computer. What I really like about this projector is that it is really easy to use. Connection between different devices, tablet, phone, and laptop is really seamless. And if you have a game console at home, you can also connect that as well. There are plenty of different type of connection port to support just about any device you can think of. It's extremely versatile. Look at the screen color and quality. It just pops. Compared to some other projector I have tried out before, the screen has no blurry on either corner, up and down, on the side as well. So in terms of the screen quality, this projector is superb. Now another thing I really like about this projector is the size of it is really small. So you basically can just put it inside your backpack and take it with you, especially if you decide to go out to camping. They provide you with a 100-inch screen cover already, so you can just set it outside somewhere when it's dark, and yeah, you can just have your little party outside, either in the backyard or go out in a camping somewhere, right? So one of the downside with this projector is the fan noise. The fan can be quite loud, especially if you're in a confined environment, you will definitely hear it. But if you turn on the volume of the speaker, it can definitely mask all the noise that is coming out from this projector. So anyway, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.